What's up, C3 family? Thanks for tuning in today for your crypto content. My name's Jake, and today we have a tutorial video showing you how to draw spider lines. Spider lines will help you predict future price points, basically giving you support and resistance lines. This is a technique that I learned from watching one of CryptoFace's videos on Market Cipher. Market Cipher is a tool that we use every day for our charting and other trades. So with that being said, let's jump right in. I'm going to be showing you how to do this with eGold over here on the Binance chart. So we're going to make sure we're selected on logarithmic scale. We're also going to come over here and select the ray. This will help you draw an exact straight line without much effort. So first, we want to come over here, and let me zoom in a little bit more. All right, so let's maximize this and grab the ray tool. Come over here to this top candle, and what you want to do is you want to make sure that this line rests on the first candle body close it hits. So seeing as this isn't closed yet, it looks like it's going to close around this range. So this may change, but I'm going to rock it for now. We got 5 hours left, so here we go. So come over here to this next candle, do the same thing. I'm going to skip one right there, same thing. Grab my ray tool again. So if you guys are interested in Market Cipher, we do have a referral link down in the description below. I did these spider lines with Bitcoin a few days ago, and they are riding support and resistance very well. And I actually did it on a shorter scale. Right now I'm on the day time frame. I did it probably on the 8 to 4 hour, and it actually seemed to work pretty well. So CryptoFace advised doing it on week candles. So anyways, we're doing it on the 1 day. So as you can see, just kind of continue to lay these lines down, and this will give you a nice cool looking spider web. And so when you zoom in, minute, grab our cursor, see how we're looking. So yeah, right here we got a lot of support on these lines coming down, so we could come back down here and just stay on this nice upward trajectory. So yeah, we came up right here, kind of found support, resistance, blasted out above, came back down. So anyway, that's a really brief summary on how to draw spider lines. This is a great technique. I've used it many times in the past. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Please follow our Twitter. Also, we have a public Telegram group as well as a Patreon if you'd like to see some of our trade calls. We had somebody in the group last night. They made over 75% gains on a Bitcoin call. Got her down at 58.5, rode it up to 60. Easy gains right there. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. As always, peace out.